Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now I am going to Shimla. So it's like 9:30. It's at night and we all are ready. You can see Mitansh. Hey Mitansh. Priyansh, say hello.
Hello.
Pucho, how are you?
How are you?
Oh wow. Say wow.
How? Wow.
Say bye bye guys. Say bye guys. Bolo.
Tata, tata.
Tata. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So as you can see that my bags are ready. This is one bag and this suitcase.
So now we are just waiting for the car and then we will go. And I would try to record everything, every bit of this journey live. I don't want to do voiceover this time, and that's why I'm recording it, and that's why I'm wearing it so that you could listen properly. Let's meet you in the bus now. So this is our luggage, and we are all set to go. ज़्यादा तेज हो गया. Hello.
Hi.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because we are going to
He is trying to copy you.
Bun.
Band. Say, Mama, close. Yay, light.
See, Prince. Hi, Didi. Hi, Didi. Hi, Bhaiya. Hi, Bhaiya. Hello, Gucha Didi. Ayo, Gucha Didi. Hello, Abhiyan. Ayo,
Hello, Mama.
Ayo, Mama.
किसी का दो मम्मा को.
Hello, Papa. Oma.
Uma is not the way of kissing.
He is asking why.
Say bye.
Why? Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
So this is my husband's office, and we have to board bus from here only. So we have just entered. It's around 10, or you can say 9:45, I think. So by 10:30 or 11, bus will leave. So finally our bus has arrived and kids are playing here. The bus is here, you can see that. I think we are the first one who reached here. And my husband, he went to park the car. Once he'll be there. What 2 times I said? Why are you dancing, guys?
Papa parked the car.
Why is he dancing? Oh, little munch.
Jumping, baby.
He just copy him. Whatever he does, he has to copy everything. Dance. Dance. No, we don't need to dance. Just hold my hand.
देखो
Yes. Wow, this is really nice.
साइड में है
Hmm.
अंदर
This bus is quite different. Where should we sit now? I think this is the perfect place for us. This one.
I vote for this one.
This one.
I vote for this one. Not this one.
You want this one? Then we will sit here.
No.
We'll get the enough space here.
We won't have a dustbin. I'm going down.
Don't go down. I don't know where to sit. I'm confused about the seats because it's really looking nice. There's a huge space here. So if somebody will sit here, he'll get the advantage of good space. Mitanshu, you can sit there.
Here.
Mitanshu and Papa will sit there. Me and Priyansh will sit here.
बस अभी 30 आवर्स लगेंगे बस अभी चलेंगे
So finally bus starts and we are leaving this place. Bye bye Gurgaon.
Okay, Priyanshu, what is this?
Kudu,
What is this?
kudu,
Why?
kudu.
First say open, Mama. So, Mama, please open. Mama, open.
Guys, I'm still dancing, okay?
He is also doing ringa ringa. So now finally everyone is sleeping. You can see. Where is the washroom?
I forgot.
You forgot? You came here, no, with Papa a few minutes ago. Then how can you forget? It's really nice, isn't it? मितांश की कुल्फी जमी हुई है. Hello मितांश, want to say something? Mitansh is going to washroom on the condition of buying a car. He said if you will buy a car, then I will go to washroom. Right? I'm as fresh. It's 3:30. Still I'm feeling fresh. It's freezing cold outside. Oh my god, it's I think 8 to 10 degrees. Isn't it? Now we are going back to the bus. I mean, we didn't even realize that it is that much cold outside. It's like freezing cold, and oh my god, I think I should carry my cap as well. I think this is our bus and there is some issue with it. I am not sure, but I feel that it's got punctured. और चलाओ तेज, इतना तेज ये लोग चलाते हैं ना, डर इतना लगता है बस में. And I was like literally I didn't sleep even for a while. I was like totally awake, and both my children, they were sleeping. My husband was also sleeping. I was like watching the roads like always, and we might move from here around 4:30, and we'll reach Shimla by 10 or 10:30 probably. I'm not sure about it, but let's see. But it's freezing cold. Oh my god. Now you might be thinking, why are we roaming here? Because we are not allowed to go in the bus.
Tire has punctured.
The tire has punctured.
Oh, what are you doing? Show me.
I'm just recording you. Mitansh, stand there for a minute. Mitansh, I want to capture. How beautiful it is looking, isn't it? Wow. Mitansh, stay here. I will click your picture with Haveli.
My hand is cold.
Your hand is cold. Look at Mama. Smile. क्या picture आया मितांश? Papa will feel so happy. Why are you not going in the bus?
Because the bus is punctured.
And what uncle said? Don't do like that. What uncle said?
No, don't come.
सच्ची में मतलब like just because of that reason we are roaming here unnecessarily. There is no reason. I mean there is no reason, but still we are here. It's too cold. We got off from the bus just to use washrooms, and now we are stuck here and we can't go back because that is getting repaired, and it's there. Oh god. So now we are waiting here for the tea. I thought of order some kullad tea, which is my favorite. So let's wait for that and then I will make it.
So it is 6 o'clock in the morning.
Good morning everyone. It is 6:30 in the morning. Now it's 9 o'clock and we have taken second break. We are going to freshen up and then we'll head. What are you doing? Why are you making such faces? Let me show you the beauty mountains. It's really nice to see it. It's a breathtaking view, I can say that. Minash, pakdo Priyansh ko. Why are you shouting?
Mama, chhod.
Okay, hold my hand. Let's go. Yahan? No. No. We can't go here. तो चिल्लाता है ये. Say hello. Say hello, mama. Hello, mama. No? Look at that. Wow.
Pataka.
Where? Where is Pataka? I can't see any Pataka here. Mitansh, stand here. Nice.
इधर आओ आईना में देखो. Wow.
It's 12 o'clock and we haven't reached yet. And he's feeling tired now.
एक बार अपना पैर.
The kids are active.
एक बार अपना
They're playing.
पैर दे.
but it's very tiring because it's already 12 and we haven't ate anything except chips and snacks. So let's see how long it will take. He had just vomited. It's terrible. You always see my beautiful pics and thinking that I'm enjoying, but this is also part of traveling. You have to bear with it as well. Just vomited and now he's feeling lazy. It's been 10 minutes. It will take 10 minutes.
पूरी दुनिया वीडियो बना रही है उसकी दुनिया वो सब वीडियो बना रहा है ये देखो अब आप ऐसी मुसीबत में मत फंस जाना क्योंकि ये इतनी बड़ी लैंड स्लाइड है हम लोग बस एक कोटी रिकॉर्ड जा रहे हैं अगर कभी हमारी बस छूट गई तो ये पूरी बस खाली में चली जाएगी क्या बोल रहे हो हां लैंड स्लाइड में तो होगी अरे बहुत सारे बच्चे ये भी जाने में हो चुका है तो प्लीज आप ऐसी मुसीबत में मत फंसना.
So finally we have reached to resort. Now I will show you. I'll try to capture everything, but I'm not sure how much I can capture. Look, Priyansh is with me, Mitansh is with Papa, and you can see the beauty of today. I think I'm speaking too slow, but it's too calm and peaceful, so I don't need to shout and speak loudly. This is what I feel. Get down, very nice. This is the reception area and let's enter first. It's already too late. Mitansh and Papa is also coming. Chalo. Let's go down. Go down. Down. Jump. Jump. It is looking really nice because ऐसे जगह में I mean in the high peak, if you're getting a kind of space, it's really amazing. Yes. Good afternoon. Welcome to Koti Resort. Thank you. Let's have the lemon drink, it's important for us. So finally we got the room and this is 408. Let's find out where is 408. So finally we are on breakfast table. Breakfast from lunch, it's brunch. It's not one kira, it's attached. I'm going to eat this. I'm gonna eat this. Mitansh is going to eat this, only pav bhaji. And Priyansh is going to eat only cucumber. So now let me give you a quick room tour. It's fridge, not washing machine. So this is, you can see that sitting area. I think it's quite nice and quite sufficient. The lighting is also nice. My kids are enjoying here. Look at the washroom. You want to say something? What do you want to say? This one is also nice. Please ignore my tummy and my motu pet. I have to do like that. Yeah, you can see that area. Please don't watch me. And this is the entire room. This is the mirror. So how are you feeling? Look at him. Oh my god, he has not even... Mitansh, you should take care of this thing now, please. Not me, but at least your younger brother, you could take care of him. We kept all the shoes here. The happiness of my kids. किसने उतार दिए सॉक्स? इधर आओ. Come here.
सॉक्स कहाँ हैं?
वो सॉक्स सूटकेस में लगे जा गया. Priyansh. Oh my god. Can you show me again? Can you do this again? Jump, 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 jump. Mitansh, take your socks off first and change it.
ये पैंट पापा ने दिया पैंट
Guchu, 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 guchu.
ये पैंट ये पैंट
Now masti time start. We have suffered a lot. 12 hours journey. It became 14 hours. Chalo, now bye. Bye for now. We will catch you later. Or maybe in the evening I will start again a fresh vlog. I am going to end this vlog right now. Don't make noise. I'm not using mic. I'm directly recording. So thank you so much if you watched this video till the end. Please wait for the next day video because that is going to be really interesting.